other movies to do for next year that's not intended for the MMM?
Hindi naman. Thank you, Francis. Hindi naman, Francis, nagkataon lang na naisali itong muling uninvited sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Again, if I may reiterate, when we were planning, conceptualizing the story of this movie, yung mga meetings namin, wala sa plano namin isali ito sa MMFF. Ang usapan nga lang namin talaga is to really make a good film, a good movie that we really can be proud of. Pero biglang sinuwerte naman at naipasok sa MMFF at natanggap. So, not necessarily may plano naman ako yearly. Nagkataon lang magkasunod na when I met you in Tokyo and then this year, meron akong huling movie na napasali yung Uninvited. So, siguro, ano lang, baka it was meant to be. Ganun lang yun, Francis.